back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing Tomatillo Lemonade. Yes, it's made out of tomatillos. It comes out delicious and it's refreshing. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, tomatillos, lemons, of course these are organic from my lemon tree, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing tomatillo lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start with my saucepan, and I'm going to add my granulated sugar and water. We are going to start making our simple syrup. Let's go to the stove and start cooking in medium-low heat. It really doesn't take too long. Just make sure that you are mixing just like this. You could even see the sugar on the bottom of the saucepan. The water starts getting a little cloudy. That means that the sugar is starting to dissolve. Just don't leave your saucepan. Once it starts boiling like this, you could see that the water is already crystal. It's a little yellow, but you can no longer see the sugar. We'll put it on the side, and now I have my tomatillos here, and I'm going to start peeling them one by one. Just like this. We want to go ahead and take all the skin off of every single one. And when we are completely done, I'm going to put them back in this plate, and let's go to the sink and let's rinse them completely. We want to make sure that we rinse one by one so we take away that stickiness that's on the skin of the tomatillo. Make sure that you rinse them in running water and rub them really good on your hand. Once this is done, let's start getting ready this delicious tomatillo lemonade. I want to start with my tomatillos, and I'm going to go ahead and just cut them in half so that I could put them in my blender cup. Just like this. I'm going to go ahead and reserve 2 slices for the presentation. This lemonade really comes out really delicious and really refreshing. I know that once you try it, you are going to love it. So here I'm adding all the tomatillos in my blender cup, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 cups of water, and let's blend it. We need to blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that everything is really incorporated. After the 4 minutes, just make sure that everything looks really blended, just like this. And now I am ready. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to transfer it to a glass cup, a larger container. But before I do that, I want to put it through a sifter. I want to make sure that I get all the skin of the tomatillo and the seeds. This step really takes a little bit of time, but this is very important because you don't want none of the skin or the seeds in your agua fresca. Look at this. Do a little bit at a time until you are completely done getting all the little pieces of seeds and the skin. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead and add our pinch of salt. Why are we adding a pinch of salt? Because the salt will bring up that flavor of the lemonade. I'm going to go ahead, add it here, and add my simple syrup. Add just enough of the simple syrup. You don't want this agua fresca to be very sugary. To my tasting, this is great. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and I'm going to start with my organic lemonades. I'm going to get the juice of the lemons, and they are really juicy. Okay, let me put them aside and let me start getting all that delicious juice of the lemons. But I want to put a little sifter here because I don't want any seeds or any pulp to go into my agua fresca. One by one, and you could really see that the lemons are very juicy. From these lemons, I should be getting about 2 cups of lemon juice. Well, I'm going to continue getting the juice of the lemons, and I'll show you when I am completely done. You are really going to love this Tomatillo Lemonade. And here I am completely done. I'm going to get one more lemon for the decoration. I'm going to cut slices so that I could add it to my pitcher, just like this. I've added some ice, added a couple slices, and now I am ready to decorate the pitcher and my glass. I can't wait to taste it, to tell you the truth. This looks amazing. And this is my pitcher, and this is my glass. I can't wait to taste it. I am ready for the presentation, and I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious Tomatillo Lemonade. The color came out so pretty that I don't know if you could really see it on the camera, but you know something, it looks amazing. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this Tomatillo Lemonade came out. Excuse me. The flavor of the tomatillo and the lemon, just amazing, refreshing. This came out delicious. I hope, my friends, you could give it a try. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family. Summer's here, and why not have something delicious, refreshing, and with a lot of vitamins. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious Tomatillo Lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.